Hello everyone, hope you all are doing fine. So this Maylab's Coviself, the India's first ICMR approved self-test kit for COVID-19 is now available on Flipkart. You can order it for a price of 250, but the minimum quantity you need to order is 2, so it will cost you 500 rupees. I'll share the link in the description. You can go ahead and purchase it if you want. The process how to test and how to get the results will be given in the description. So you need to take the sample, the nasal sample, and then need to follow the rest of the process. And the description in Flipkart also says that you can also test it on 2 to 18-year-old. The test must be performed with Coviself app to register and reports results. Product disclaimer, this is for Flipkart. The test can be used by 18 years and older individuals themselves or by an adult for individuals between 2 to 18 years old. So it has already got a rating of 4.3. 101 people have already reviewed it, or maybe ratings. 100 people have given their ratings and 5 people have reviewed it. And if I check the review, most of them have given a 5-star. Okay, so since it's getting difficult to go out or call the test lab people over to home to give the samples, maybe this is a good alternate option to do the test on our own. Alright, so thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye.